What if a home's homeland? What if a home version could rise from nothing but your bare hands?
A place where nature becomes architecture. This is how real creation begins. No machines. No shortcuts.
Just earth and human will.
Perfect texture means perfect walls.
Every dream starts with a sketch.
Strength comes from nature.
Small steps build big results. Old methods never fail. This is where patience meets skill. Every home needs a strong beginning.
This moment, the real start.
A stable base means safe shelter.
Line by line, the walls rise.
It may be small, but it will stand proud.
Just like life, one step at a time. Details make craft. Wall reaches knee height. Progress you can see.
A home born from earth.
Effort fuels creation. Corners define strength. They hold it all together. A foundation built to last.
Nature holding nature together.
Texture gives character.
True craft is intentional. Precision matters. Piece by piece, a vision grows. Earth reinforced by earth. Bonding the elements.
Small houses, big heart.
Finishing every inch.
Nature adds its beauty.
Simple perfection. Every shadow must yield. Light deserves a way in. Design with purpose. Every opening matters. Stability first.
Soon, air will flow through here.
Building balance.
Creation.
Leveling.
Layering.
Oh, mixed again.
Strengthening.
height.
Craft. It's working bags that contain lead. Iron fourth one lead to lights. And something to go on there.
Yeah.
Fuel.
Pressure.
Growth.
Entrance.
Support.
Refining.
Cleanliness.
Detail. Drying.
Continue.
Strength.
Halfway. Muovere.
Shape of a future home.
Finishing touches.
Curves matter.
Support holds.
Durability.
The wall's now shoulder height. I would need my currently.
Almost there.
So do.
Time for the next stage.
Strong roof requires strong hands.
Symmetry matters. Structure forming. Finding nature.
Natural roofing. Roofing.
Coverage begins.
Waterproofing. A home takes shape. Additional protection.
Ceiling. Strong. Future.
Smart design.
A calm, earthy interior.
Yeah, it really feels like home now.
Stable ground.
Comfort matters.
Beauty in details.
Warm in winter, cool in summer. Security.
Protection. Earth turned home. Art
within build.
Function.
Precision.
Home feeling.
Refinement. Color from nature.
Transformation.
Comfort.
Warm welcome.
Every detail matters.
Natural beauty.
Tradition.
Cat.
Finish strong.
Texture tells story. Welcome home.
Fine details.
This is a place built with passion. A handmade home, crafted for generations.
Worth doing.
Feeling life above.
Nature approves.
Small, yet meaningful. Perfection matters.
Life begins.
Breath of nature. It's beautiful. It truly is.
Journey remembered. Peaceful sight. Earth's quiet masterpiece. Built to last.
Accepted by nature.
Warm evenings ahead. Effort rewarded.
A home from hands.
Life surrounding life.
Simplicity speaks. A small build with a big heart.
Connecting us to earth.
Nature's architecture. Built with purpose.
Where light enters life.
Every step meaningful. A home that belongs.
Shelter created.
quiet beauty.
Warmth awaits. Hand-built. Heart-built. This is the art we live for. Thank you for being here. Shukriya for watching Handmade Crafted.